All right, well, what we got here is my 2016 Dodge Dart. I wanted to get the upgraded exhaust parts here. So we have I bought the ARP bolts for the head. This one here is actually pretty weighty. I'll show you what we got. Packing material. More packing material. Nice little catalytic converter in here. Thought this thing would have been a little bit more than just painted. What we got in the bag here should be, there's the O2 extension, clamp, 2 bolts are in here, and a zip tie. Okay, that's what we got. All right. There's our gasket. Gotta have that. There is the actual unit. Looks so much bigger in the photos. There we go. I mean, honestly, it looks painted. Says it's supposed to be coated inside and out. It has some wear marks on here, right across the top. Not exactly too happy with that. Alright, so here we go. Here's the header and the downpipe. I mean, honestly, doesn't look as nice as what it did in the pictures, but I'll have to check that stuff out. I mean, as normal, everything was shipped quick, nicely packed, and I'm sure it's going to make a big difference on here. So we just got to get it installed. But that's what we have going on. It's probably going to be a job for tomorrow, but that was just a quick unboxing. We'll show you what this thing, what you have to do to get this thing here installed. All right.